to Business Standards feature video. While tobacco has been fueling business for ITC, recently the personal care portfolio and foods have shown signs of coming into their own. As a result, ITC has begun to reinforce premiumization across both of these categories to capture the trend of upgrading. New products in food and a repositioning of its mid-segment soap brand have set the process in motion. ITC's non-tobacco FMCG play also includes education and stationery, lifestyle, retailing, safety matches, and incense sticks, but food and personal care comprise around 80% of the segment. Vivelle, which is one of the 4 personal care products brand that it had launched between 2005 and 7, is the biggest brand in personal care for the Kolkata-based company and is worth 500 rupee crores. With a full-fledged campaign underway featuring the brand ambassador Kareena Kapoor, Vivelle is being repositioned as a nourishment product rather than its earlier singular promise of skin softening, according to the personal care CEO Sandeep Kaul. Of course, the soap brand will continue to straddle different price points. Essenza de Vils was originally its premium offering of fragrances, bath and body care products for both men and women, launched in mid-2005. ITC also labels its Vivelle Ultra Pro Anti-Dandruff Shampoo as premium. Mass market product launches in the near future are ruled out. He claims the recent entry into the crowded deodorant market has gained significant share. Engage, a deo for both the sexes, was launched in May and will take 2 to 3 months for a national rollout. Given the low per capita consumption of deos and a market estimated to be around 2,500 crore rupees, Sandeep Kaul expects a growth of 15 to 20%. ITC's overall non-cigarette FMCG business is expected to break even sometime this year. It was briefly in the black in the final quarter of the last fiscal before slipping into the red. Analysts point out that rather than any weakness in gross margins, it is the heavy advertising that ITC does to further its FMCG business that forms a drag on the portfolio's finances. An analyst also highlights that Superior, ITC's budget soap brand, and its Fiamma de Vils, which has shampoos and soaps, which have not been able to make much headway despite being launched a few years ago. He says their less than 2% shares are meager compared to Vivelle's 6 to 7%. But of the non-tobacco FMCG products, which is about worth 3,700 crore in 2014, it's taking up premiumization in no uncertain terms. The CEO of Foods, Chitranjan Dar, says the packaging of one of our first super premium brands, the Choco Melts, is a departure from our usual packaging to reflect the richness of the chocolate enrobed cookies. Having achieved upgrading in premium cookies, catching Britannia, the biscuits leader, unaware, Dar is now moving on to a category unlikely to be thought of as premium, confectionery. That's all we have for now. Thank you.